Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Updog token. Now this, I assume, comes from the dad joke where people go, you want some Updog, and somebody says, what's up dog? And then that's funny, I guess. So I'm assuming that's where the name of this token comes from, but also a combination of that and, you know, all these meme coins are dogs like Doge, Shiba Inu, Floki, etc. And you're hoping that they go up. So it's a combination of those two things, I would assume. And yeah, this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, March 5th, on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, their Telegram is Updog Sol 2 and then new. Quite a long list there of Updog Sol 2 new. 462 subscribers on their Telegram. You could preview the channel. Now, Updog is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain, and it was just announced today that they are getting a brand new central exchange listing starting March 5th, which is today, at 13 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token here and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search Updog. And then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So on Mexc Global, I just noticed they have this token listed as ticker symbol Updog and name of the token Updog, but on Dex Tools and on Bird Eye, the name of the token is What's Up Dog. I'll put that in the title of this video so you guys can see here. But yeah, just be aware of that. And their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there, at UpdogCoinX. It says, what's up dog, Solana's favorite meme coin. Join the Telegram. Has a link to their Telegram on that Twitter there. They just joined in March 2024. That's how brand new this project is. 1,229 followers already on Twitter, though. 51 tweets. And they have a link to their webpage there, updogsolana.com. And if you go in there, pin tweet, they have the contract address, all sorts of links there. So this token is doing insanely well today. Their market cap right now is a little bit over $7.9 million. 9 decimal places on this token. They are listed on CoinGecko. And a little bit under 1 billion total supply. Right now, the current supply of this token is 999.9 million tokens. And their webpage, updogsolana.club, has links to get this token off of Raydium. So you can get this token if you don't want to get it off of Mexc Global. You can get it off decentralized exchanges by funding your Trust Wallet, Phantom wallet, MetaMask wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, find Raydium or Jupiter, and then trade your Sol for the Updog token using that contract address. So yeah, 9 decimal places on this token. I saw their bird eye chart here. It says they are up in the past 24 hours, 616%. Doing insanely well today. And they have a DEX Tools chart as well. DEX Tools has a quick audit on it, which is helpful. We'll go over that in a second. Their market cap, $8.37 million. Total liquidity in Raydium is almost $300,000. Excuse me. They have over 4,430 holders already. And I just need some water here. My throat's dying. I'll be right back. All right, right back. So yes, 24-hour trading volume right now is $15,000. So they have over 1.13 thousand pooled Sol in Raydium. So they have a quick intel audit here. Contract is verified. No honeypot. No mintable tokens. Tax is not modifiable. And it says no other risks. So no warnings there on their quick audit, so that's good to see. Keep in mind that's not a full audit. On their webpage, you can find their socials, chart, all that stuff. So Updog, the Solana-based meme coin that only goes up, well obviously take that with a grain of salt there, sporting your favorite mascot, the cutest Shiba Inu pup. Updog only has one trajectory up. So zero tax if you are going to buy, sell, or trade this token, or transfer, this token off any of these decentralized exchanges. It says 0% tax, so you probably won't have to worry about slippage. It says mint revoked, ownership renounced, and they have a contact email at the bottom of their page, updogsupport@gmail.com. It says, please be aware that this token is purely speculative and holds no tangible financial value in the real world. Goes over a huge disclaimer. Make sure you always read the disclaimers before investing in any token. So the top 10 holders here hold 20.84% of the tokens according to Bird Eye there. And yeah, 4,455 holders, it says. According to Bird Eye, it says it's up 1,184% in the past 24 hours. And even in the past 30 minutes, it's up 32%. This token's doing insanely well. And yeah, along with this one being listed on Mexc Global, I just did a video on another token called Zebu that is also getting listed today on Mexc Global. That is a Solana meme coin that is doing insanely well. So check that video out. Make sure you guys like this video and hit subscribe for daily crypto videos. In the comments down there, let me know what you guys think about Updog. Do you think this is a good investment or not? And make sure you guys check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.